Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for February the 28th, 2022, and I feature some of the best games, creations and visual effects made across Unity. For you guys, be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome creations and you'll have a chance to be featured in next week's episode. And remember to check out my Patreon to get access to over 120 different scripts, assets and projects you can't find anywhere else. Throw a like on this video and make sure you comment which is your favourite down below because I always love interacting with you. So number one with Aiko Dex 3D, it's two fully new suspension bikes with fully procedural characters with IK and bike physics. Raf_IUK has got a little cube with awesome power. dzedaj, if you've ever been an aspiring paleontologist, now might be your chance. Stepepper has got some slippery soap. Mads has got an explosion to rule them all. Danny Meter has got a petable dog coming in their game. Micro_pros has got tiny combat air arena in early access. Root Pilot has got more mudboarding capabilities. Unstackd has got cluster bombs plus turrets, and you can just spawn cluster sentries. Game 3 Dover has got a global map with plagues activated. Silt Game has got look at all the teeth. Ozemenzi with Rat Racer with more awesome footage. defyprods has got a prototype of a 3D interactive dinner table. DH_33 has cut together a teaser trailer for their upcoming demo. realfishwind is trying to make a goofy game, but I'm not sure if this attack is goofy or not. Metalcore 999 has turrets, split screen, and a load of sand-based physics. Honorism the game has new updates to the character, firing and dodging. Sergio Rodriguez has got a blacksmith that can forge you absolutely anything. Quack Ollie has got a looping flow map skybox. GoldenKela has got a bottled galaxy using sphere tracing. So thank you so much for checking out all the awesome Made with Unity assets for the February 28th, 2022. Be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome creations to have a chance to be featured in next week's episode. Do come and check out my Patreon to get access to over 120 different scripts and assets you can't find anywhere else. Check out my great assets on the Unity store and bonus discounts on my website. Be sure to come and chat to me on Discord. Thank you so much to everybody who supports me on Patreon and all my awesome subscribers. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.